Hi, and welcome to Phin. My name is Andrew. I'm on the Phin Partner Experience team, and I wanted to welcome you to the Phin platform and show you a few highlights that our partners enjoy today. So the first thing you can see here is your partner homepage and our Getting Started guide, which should look something like this. With Phin, you're able to set up a complete security awareness training program with just a few simple steps. Once you complete these steps, your partner homepage should look something like this, with a check mark next to each step and phishing and training campaigns that run continuously until you tell them to stop. And speaking of campaigns, once you get to this step of the setup, you'll see the continuous campaign creator seen here, which has you select 4 options that apply to this company or not in order to create a custom self-reliant set of phishing and training campaigns. Setting up this SAT program for a company takes 10 minutes or less, and it's that easy. Once these campaigns are up and running, your users receiving phishing emails from Phin will get an email that looks something like this. As you can see, this appears to be an invite to join your team, but really it's one of Phin's phishing emails. If the user happens to click on the link in the Phin phishing email, they're automatically taken to a learning moment, which is designed to show the user exactly what they could have done differently in order to avoid clicking that exact link in that exact email. Training is also very straightforward, and users don't have to create an account or remember another password, as it's all email-based, as you can see here. Users can see everything that's been assigned to them, everything that they've completed, or just all of it as well. Finally, you're able to send automated progress reports to any stakeholder of your choosing with the reporting feature, and you can also track any user's phishing and or training progress in real time with our analytics section in Phin. Finally, we will be sending you lots of resources to get started with the Phin platform. We give you a few different ways to learn about all things Phin. We have a complete demo video that walks you through every step. We have a quick startup guide that's a 1-page PDF, and we also have a knowledge base packed with lots of resources. So check your inbox after sign up. We're always happy to help. If you'd like to check out any other resources in the portal itself, feel free to navigate to the bottom left-hand side of the page with the question mark icon to see more resources. But like I said, we're always happy to help, answer any questions, and send you any resources that you might need. Thank you so much for being a part of the Phin family, and best of luck in your Phin journey.